remember I was talking that I was gonna do the Mother's Day gifts thing.
Yeah.
Well, if you go to incognito and you search for best Mother's Day gifts 2024,
You're there? Let's
I'm there.
go. How much?
What,
How many videos?
what exactly 50 views?
Yeah, but it's not. When is Mother's Day again? Like in next month, right?
It's in May, beginning of May. I can actually probably show you one sec. Mothers. I can show you maybe the data here, how it looks like. Let's see. Share screen, video analytics. Ba-bam.
Okay, it's ranking.
Nothing too exciting.
Yeah, but people are not looking yet, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty early.
You can
9th of
see
April.
CTR yesterday was 6%. So yeah, I'm one. Just the question is if people are really gonna be searching that up and all that. So let's see. Let's see if it's I'm just curious to see if I'm gonna get like a surge of traffic or something, but probably not.
So what's the best gift for someone's mother? What did you
A
cover
Lego
in
a Lego rose.
a Lego rose? Or like okay,
Yeah.
Lego.
Lego
You
for
need
adults. In a
crazy.
shape
Yeah,
of a rose.
it's a pretty good idea.
But it is.
Yeah.
Lego is a fascinating company.
You probably read a book about it.
Not yet, but I want to.
Not yet.
I did watch like a Business Insider on YouTube video about them, about the company.
They're
They're
from
like,
Sweden, right? Or
I think Denmark,
Denmark. Oh yeah, Denmark.
because it means like play, I think, in Danish or something.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, it's a crazy company. I agree. I had a lot of Lego like when I was young, but adults still do it as well. Like
Yeah,
Lego Technic, you have, I think.
yeah. But it's more just like, I think they buy something for like $1 a pound, the plastic, and they sell it for like 50 times the markup.
Probably.
So like they sell 1 pound of plastic or like 1 kilo, whatever, 50 times than what they actually get it for. So they're just
Yeah,
like, but they've built a crazy IP, like trademark.
patents. Yeah,
They're collaborating with everybody like Disney and companies that are entertainment world. There's like a Lego world here in not far from Windsor, I think, in London as well. So you can go in at like a theme park, like a Disney park, and it's just all in Lego. It's massive. It's massive.
that's cool.
It-
You feel like a child again.
yeah, I loved Lego when I was a kid.
Yeah, same. I love building stuff. Yeah, like when I was a kid, but still now, like building the channels, building the team, that kind
Yeah.
of stuff.